Hi friends, if you are looking for a great Bitcoin trading theme, this video is for you. In this video, I have DigiBit WordPress theme. It is specifically for Bitcoin trading and it has 3 demos. In fact, I'll show you 3 demos as well. So one is for blockchain, another is for trading and third one is for Bitcoin shop. And this theme has been developed by Design Themes, my all-time favorite theme developers, and they are Power Elite authors, no doubt. And the theme was developed in 2018 only, and regular updates for this theme is also being done. And this theme has very specific and look since it has been made for a certain category, that is for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, and this theme serves the purpose well. So you can choose this theme without any doubt for your upcoming project, and this theme is going to serve your purpose well. And I'll show you another demos. In this video we are going to install the DigiBit WordPress theme along with the demo content, and we will also take a look of the theme options and the page customization options available in this theme. And this is the second look, the look of second home page. This is also very good, of course, and it has ticker of currency status and rates and all these things, so which is required for crypto type websites, and it gives value in local currency. In fact, that is a good thing. It detects itself by geolocations. It shows the currency value, and rest of things are also very well organized. So let us begin the installation. I have a fresh installation of WordPress with 2021 WordPress theme installed on it, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I have licensing, the theme file, the child theme file, and some premium plugins. Let us see what premium plugins this theme carries with it. And this is the Visual Composer, Layer Slider, Revolution Slider, and Ultimate VC add-ons. So these are the premium plugins included in the theme pack, and the rest of things are here only. So for installation of this theme, let us move to the theme section of WordPress. Add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose digibit.zip. And if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same in WP content themes folder. I am doing the same to save some time. And both activities are same, don't get confused. You can either upload directly on your server, or either you can choose to upload the theme from this interface, WordPress interface. And the theme size is 11.02 MB. It got uploaded in seconds, and this is lightweight theme, of course. And this is the uploaded file, and we need to extract it. So extraction outcome is this. So we can check the theme section. Okay, so this is multiple extract due to multiple extraction outcome. I need to rearrange the files and folders. So what I'll do, I'll simply do the same activity again. I uploaded the same file again to avoid the directory error, and first I deleted, of course, and re-uploaded the same file, and this time I'll extract the file in a folder called DigiBit and DigiBit. Okay, so extraction outcome is this, the DigiBit folder, in which we got all the theme folder and files. And now we can delete the zip one. It is just consuming the server space, and now we can go to the theme section, and now we have the DigiBit as another theme option. Let us check the details. It is DigiBit version 2.0 by Design Themes team, and let us activate it. Upon activation, we got a certain error to install necessary plugins, and this theme uses Untitled framework. This is very wonderful framework for WordPress theme development, and let us check what plugins we need to install, and these are the list of plugins which we need to install for running this theme, for using this theme. And I am installing all the plugins in one go. And if you are not confident about your server capacity, install the plugins one by one to avoid errors. And if you are going to get the hosting from WP Themes, you'll get the same server capacity as I am showing in this video. And this is share server, in fact, and this comes on very reasonable price. So all installation and activation has been completed. All plugins has been installed and activated successfully. Now click on dashboard. Let us check whether it goes to the WooCommerce setup page, because we have installed the WooCommerce as well. It should go on the basic setup page of WooCommerce. Let us check it, and yes, it is going on the basic information page of WooCommerce setup wizard. So I am putting just simple lines, and you should put the original data as applicable for you. And I'm just skipping the store details, and it will be fine, and it is complete now. And since we have what is this update about, since we have installed the theme itself and all plugin, now we can take a look of our website, and I'm just checking what updates is showing here. Okay, so that is fine. So we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme. This is the basic look of theme with without any demo content, of course. And at this stage, we can definitely go for importing some demo content to complete the installation. And let me find the options of importing demo. And since this theme uses Unison, we need to install the demo and backup extension if it is not here, and since the under tool sections demo import is not available, I'll install the backup and demo content option from Unison interface, and it has been installed now, and the option should be here. Yes, it is here only. Demo content install under tool section. Let's check. And there is only one default demo option to install and import. Let us install it, and the import process has been started, and it will take some time. Yeah, Unison framework has a great feature of importing the demo in a very proficient way. So however it takes time, but it resizes all images, imports all file very well, and it works certainly very good. So we have to be here on this page and let the process to be completed. This page is showing everything what is going on the background, and you can wait for the screen until the screen says it is complete, and once it will be complete, it will be directed to the website landing page, in fact. So we have to wait here. Don't try to leave or refresh this page. It may take up to 4 to 5 minutes, in fact. And all images, around 296 images is being restored, so it takes time. Images and media files is always heavy files, and it takes time. So your patience is required here, and that is about to complete, and let us wait for the best, and patience will definitely bring some wonderful result. And it is now being redirected. Let us see what comes on the screen. And yes, something good is loading up, and this is the preloader DigiBit theme. It is saying okay. So yes, we got a wonderful website, of course, in this activity, and everything is fine. As we seen in the demo, and it is working fine. So again, in the second video as well, so I am recording the DigiBit from design themes, and this theme also does not showing the menus, and the last video was also having the same trouble, and I need to find the solution. I will definitely write the solution in the description of this video. The rest of things are good, and now we can check the theme options. So go to the update database is required. Fine. So we have updated the database, and let us check the theme options. These options are common, and headers should be there. I believe I am checking once. It is here only, and the DigiBit options is here under theme section, appearance section, sorry. So these are the options available to control this theme. These are general option and layout option, all pages option, widget area, WooCommerce, social label, hooks, backup, DigiBit log, plugin option, portfolio, and cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency control has been given separately. It is good thing. These are the options for cryptocurrency control. And now I'll show you the page edit option. I mean how to customize and add or remove the content on the page. And this theme uses bakery composer, so it is easy to handle. You can use front-end editor. These are the options, and you can use simply pencil icons to edit the content, just like this. Let us say we need to put some text here, and this is the text edition options. And you can use the backend editor as well, so I will recommend to use backend editor. It is more easy in my opinion, and you can add and remove the section easily from backend editor. And this is the backend editor. It is loading up, in fact. So you can simply edit the contents just by clicking pencil icon, and everything will be fine. And this is the complete content of page. Okay, so it is a big page, long page. Here is not working. I don't know why this thing. I'll definitely bring some solution in addition to this video, and I'll add the content and the description of it, this video itself. Don't worry for this. And you have seen the edit options, so we can conclude that the theme installation is successful, and I assume you have already subscribed this channel, and if not, please subscribe and to get regular and wonderful updates on the WordPress themes and plugins, utilities. All such things will be available. Thanks for watching.